Nikki here with Vapor Honing Technologies. Got a really cool thing we're gonna do today. So this is what happens when you drop really small parts in the bottom of your cabinet. How do you recover them? So what we've done is we're going to drain the water off of this cabinet by opening the middle ball valve. Once that happens, I'm gonna pull the water hose over here. Then we're gonna open this bottom valve, and I'm gonna use this little strainer right here to catch the abrasive as it comes out. Of course, the abrasive will strain through, but hopefully the part will be caught, and then it will not go into the pump. It will not cause damage, and we can still catch the abrasive in this pillowcase. So you guys stay tuned. After a little bit of draining some water and catching some abrasive, this is the part that was stuck in the bottom of the abrasive. So we finally got it all out. We're gonna be able to add the abrasive back to the cabinet. We'll put fresh water back in there, and this will not damage the pump. So this is how we catch parts that we drop mistakenly in the bottom of the cabinet. If you have any questions, give us a call at 828-220-4967. Thank you so much.